Have you ever survived something stressful, and then suddenly felt like your shoulders dropped this much? That feeling has a word, and it's more powerful than, okay. Students feel it after exams. Parents feel it after school results. And professionals feel it after sending that email. Today's word is, relieved. When you are relieved, it means something stressful or worrying is finally over, and you can relax again. It's the emotional version of, ah. Before we say relieved, we often say, I'm okay, or, I'm fine. But these words don't tell us what just ended. When the pressure actually disappears, we say, I feel relieved. Let's understand this better through some real-life sentences. The students felt relieved after submitting the final exam. No more revision, no more panic scrolling. Another would be, the parents felt deeply relieved when the doctor said, everything is normal. Lastly, the team was visibly relieved after the client approved the proposal. And suddenly, emails felt friendlier. Relatable, right? Now, let's upgrade this feeling through a few relatable words. First, at ease, meaning, feeling better now. Reassured, which means, calm again because confidence has returned. And lastly, unburdened, which implies, completely free from emotional weight or worry. Same feeling, more precise English. Remember, relieved is what you feel after stress ends, not during it. If you're still worrying, checking your phone, or refreshing your emails every 30 seconds, you're not relieved yet. In our next word ladder short, we'll build this feeling step by step. From okay, all the way, to unburdened. That's when English really levels up. Words don't just describe emotions, they help us understand them. So next time something stressful ends, ask yourself, am I just okay? Or, am I truly relieved? Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next session at Learner's Brook.